Have you ever dreamed of owning a bustling restaurant filled with happy customers? Or perhaps you've imagined managing a beautiful hotel where guests enjoy unforgettable experiences and leave glowing reviews. For many people, opening a restaurant or hotel represents more than just starting a business. It represents freedom, creativity, financial independence, and the opportunity to build something meaningful. But here's the reality. While hospitality businesses can be incredibly rewarding, they can also be challenging. Many restaurants and hotels fail within the first few years because owners underestimate the planning, investment, and operational discipline required. The good news? With the right strategy, preparation, and mindset, you can dramatically improve your chances of success. In today's video, we're going to walk through the complete step-by-step process of opening a restaurant or hotel, from developing your initial idea to launching and growing a profitable hospitality business. We'll cover business planning, financing, location selection, licensing, hiring, marketing, customer experience, and much more. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or an experienced business owner looking to enter the hospitality industry, this guide will give you a clear roadmap to follow. Let's get started. Why the hospitality industry is attractive. Before diving into the practical steps, let's talk about why so many entrepreneurs are attracted to restaurants and hotels. The hospitality industry is one of the largest sectors in the world. People will always need places to eat, relax, travel, celebrate, and stay overnight. This creates constant demand. Beyond financial opportunities, hospitality businesses allow owners to create memorable experiences. A restaurant isn't just about serving food. It's about birthdays, anniversaries, celebrations, family gatherings, and creating moments people remember. Similarly, a hotel isn't simply a building with rooms. It's often part of someone's vacation, business trip, honeymoon, or life experience. This emotional connection is one reason why hospitality businesses can become powerful brands. However, passion alone is not enough. Successful operators combine creativity with strong business management. Step 1. Decide what type of business you want to open. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is jumping into a business without defining a clear concept. The first question you need to answer is simple. What exactly are you opening? If you're entering the restaurant industry, your options include fine dining, casual dining, fast food, cafe, coffee shop, bakery, food truck, cloud kitchen, family restaurant, specialty cuisine restaurant. Each option comes with different investment requirements, staffing needs, and customer expectations. For example, a food truck may require significantly less capital than a fine dining establishment. Likewise, hotels come in many forms. You could open budget hotels, boutique hotels, luxury hotels, resorts, business hotels, hostels, bed and breakfast properties, extended stay accommodations. The clearer your concept, the easier every future decision becomes. Your concept influences everything from location and design to staffing and marketing. Step 2. Conduct market research. Now let's talk about research. This is where many entrepreneurs become impatient. They find a property, get excited, and start investing money before understanding the market. That's dangerous. Market research helps answer critical questions. Who are your customers? What do they want? How much are they willing to spend? Who are your competitors? What opportunities exist? Let's imagine you're planning to open a restaurant. You discover that within a 3-kilometer radius, there are already 8 Italian restaurants. However, there are no authentic Mediterranean restaurants. That information could completely change your business strategy. The same applies to hotels. You might discover strong demand for affordable business accommodations rather than luxury suites. Research helps reduce risk and uncover opportunities that others may miss. Step 3. Create a strong business plan. Think of your business plan as your roadmap. Without it, you're driving without directions. A professional business plan should include ESA, your business concept, your mission, target customers, a competitor analysis, marketing strategy, operational structure, financial projections, growth plans. Most importantly, your business plan should answer one key question. How will this business make money? Investors and lenders care deeply about this. And honestly, you should too. A strong business plan forces you to think through potential challenges before they become expensive problems. Step 4. Understand the financial requirements. Let's talk about money. Hospitality businesses often require more capital than new entrepreneurs expect. Opening a restaurant involves expenses such as property lease, kitchen equipment, furniture, licensing, technology, initial inventory, staff salaries, marketing, emergency reserves. Hotels require even larger investments. In addition to property costs, you'll need guest room furnishings, security systems, housekeeping equipment, reservation systems, maintenance infrastructure, landscaping, utilities, insurance. One common mistake is focusing only on startup costs. Many businesses run out of money because they fail to budget for operating expenses during the first 6 to 12 months. Always maintain sufficient working capital. Cash flow problems can destroy even profitable businesses. Step 5. Secure financing. Once you've calculated costs, the next challenge is funding. Some entrepreneurs use personal savings. Others seek business loans. Some attract investors. Others form partnerships. There's no single right answer. The best financing structure depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. When presenting your idea to investors or banks, remember this. People don't invest in dreams. They invest in plans. The stronger your business model, market research, and financial projections, the easier it becomes to secure funding. Step 6. Find the perfect location. Location can make or break your business. You've probably heard that phrase before, and it's true. Imagine opening a premium restaurant in an area where customers prefer budget dining, or building a hotel far away from major attractions and transportation routes. Even excellent businesses can struggle in poor locations. When evaluating locations, consider visibility, accessibility, parking availability, traffic patterns, population demographics, competition, safety, future development plans. Spend time observing the area. Visit during different times of the day. Watch customer behavior. Talk to nearby businesses. Gather as much information as possible before signing a lease or purchasing property. Step 7. Handle legal requirements. This part may not be exciting, but it's essential. Every hospitality business must comply with regulations. Depending on your location, requirements may include business registration, food permits, health inspections, tax registrations, fire safety certifications, building permits, tourism licenses, employment compliance requirements. Never assume you can deal with licenses later. Delays in approvals can postpone openings and increase costs. Consult professionals when necessary. The investment is usually worth it. Step 8. Design your customer experience. Here's something many entrepreneurs overlook. Customers don't just buy food. They don't just buy rooms. They buy experiences. The atmosphere of your restaurant matters. The feeling guests experience when they enter your hotel matters. Every detail contributes to customer perception. Consider lighting, music, furniture, decor, cleanliness, comfort, navigation, customer flow. Imagine walking into two restaurants serving identical food. One feels warm, welcoming, and memorable. The other feels cold and uninspiring. Most customers will choose the first one every time. Experience is often the true product in hospitality. Step 9. Develop your menu or services. Now let's discuss your offerings. For restaurants, your menu should balance 3 factors. Customer demand, operational efficiency, profitability. Many new restaurant owners make the mistake of creating oversized menus. More items often mean higher inventory costs, slower service, and greater complexity. A focused menu typically performs better. Hotels face similar decisions. You must determine room types, amenities, guest services, food and beverage offerings, conference facilities, wellness services. Every service should align with your target market. Step 10. Build strong supplier relationships. Your suppliers are critical business partners. Reliable suppliers help ensure consistent quality, stable pricing, timely deliveries, inventory availability. Restaurants depend heavily on food and beverage suppliers. Hotels rely on vendors for the linens, furniture, guest amenities, cleaning supplies, technology, maintenance equipment. Always establish backup suppliers whenever possible. Unexpected disruptions can happen. Preparation reduces risk. Step 11. Invest in technology. Modern hospitality businesses rely heavily on technology. For restaurants, useful tools include point-of-sale systems, inventory management software, online ordering platforms, reservation systems, loyalty programs. Hotels require property management systems, booking engines, revenue management tools, guest communication platforms, security technology. Technology improves efficiency, reduces errors, and enhances customer satisfaction. While it requires investment, it often pays for itself through improved operations. Step 12. Hire the right people. Your team can determine whether your business succeeds or fails. Customers may forget a menu item. They may forget room rates. But they rarely forget how employees made them feel. Hire individuals who demonstrate professionalism, reliability, positive attitudes, communication skills, customer service orientation. Skills can be taught. Attitude is much harder to teach. Focus on finding people who genuinely enjoy helping others. Step 13. Train your staff. Great teams don't happen by accident. Training is essential. Every employee should understand service standards, brand values, safety procedures, problem resolution methods, communication expectations. Consider customer complaints. A poorly trained employee may become defensive. A well-trained employee sees an opportunity to improve the guest experience. That difference can determine whether a customer leaves angry or loyal. Step 14. Create marketing before opening. Many businesses wait until opening day to start marketing. That's a mistake. Marketing should begin months before launch. Build anticipation. Share updates. Tell your story. Create excitement. Focus on website development, social media, email marketing, local partnerships, community engagement, search engine optimization, influencer collaborations. The goal is simple. You want customers eagerly waiting for your opening day. Step 15. Prepare for your grand opening. Your grand opening is your first major opportunity to make an impression. Consider hosting soft openings, VIP previews, media events, community gatherings, promotional campaigns. Invite feedback, observe operations, identify problems, make improvements. A successful launch creates momentum that can benefit your business for months. Step 16. Deliver exceptional customer service. Hospitality is fundamentally about service. Customers expect friendliness, efficiency, professionalism, responsiveness, consistency. Exceptional service creates loyalty, and loyalty drives long-term profitability. Remember this. People may visit because of your marketing, but they return because of their experience. Step 17. Monitor your financial performance. Once you're operational, financial management becomes critical. Track key metrics regularly. Restaurants should monitor food costs, labor costs, average transaction value, table turnover, profit margins. Hotels should track occupancy rates, average daily rates, revenue per available room, guest acquisition costs, customer retention rates. Numbers tell stories. Learn to read them. They reveal problems before they become crises. Step 18. Manage your online reputation. Today, online reviews influence customer decisions more than ever. Potential customers often read reviews before making reservations. Encourage satisfied guests to leave feedback. Respond professionally to criticism. Avoid emotional responses. Instead, focus on solutions. Every review is an opportunity to demonstrate professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. Step 19. Adapt to industry trends. The hospitality industry evolves constantly. Successful businesses adapt. Current trends include online ordering, contactless check-in, sustainability initiatives, personalized experiences, health-conscious menus, smart room technology, digital payment systems. Stay informed. Innovation creates competitive advantages. Step 20. Build long-term customer loyalty. Acquiring customers is expensive. Retaining them is more profitable. Consider loyalty programs that reward repeat business. Examples include discounts, point systems, VIP memberships, birthday rewards, exclusive experiences. Loyal customers often become your strongest marketing asset. They recommend your business to friends and family. Word of mouth remains one of the most powerful marketing tools available. Scaling your business. Eventually, you may consider expansion. Restaurants can grow through what? New locations, franchising, catering services, retail products, cloud kitchens. Hotels may expand through additional properties, resort developments, management contracts, event services, partnership opportunities. However, growth should never come at the expense of quality. Master one location before pursuing multiple locations. Strong foundation supports sustainable expansion. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly review some common mistakes. Poor location selection, insufficient research, underestimating startup costs, weak financial management, inadequate staff training, ignoring customer feedback, poor marketing, lack of operational systems. Most hospitality failures aren't caused by one major mistake. They're usually caused by many small mistakes accumulating over time. Stay proactive. Continuously learn and improve. Conclusion. Opening a restaurant or hotel can be one of the most exciting and rewarding business journeys you ever undertake. It allows you to create experiences, build relationships, generate income, and leave a lasting impact on customers. But success doesn't happen by accident. It requires planning, discipline, financial awareness, strong leadership, and an unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. If you focus on understanding your market, building a solid business foundation, hiring great people, and consistently delivering exceptional experiences, you'll dramatically increase your chances of long-term success. Remember, every successful hospitality brand started exactly where you are now, with an idea, a vision, and the determination to make it happen. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide valuable, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future business and entrepreneurship content. And now we'd love to hear from you. If you could open either a restaurant or a hotel tomorrow, which would you choose? And why? Leave your answer in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.